Welcome student to the first chapter of mathematics. The topic that we are dealing is estimating sums and differences today. So before proceeding forward, student, many of you are having doubt again and again and are texting me that the app is not working properly or you are not able to get the homework or the upload of the chapter in proper time as and when it is uploaded. So I request you again and again to please, if you want to get the latest notification, you can subscribe the channel, and I urge you to subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest notification of the upload, right? So that you also would not be overburdened again and again, and I also would be free from your text and messages as if you're not getting the content, right? So I hope you will understand what I want to say. So for your betterment, you can subscribe the channel. So today we will start our topic, that is estimating sums and differences. So before estimating sums and differences, you all have to be very clear with the rounding off. That this topic we have done it before this particular video. You can watch it in the playlist as early as possible. So today we will seek how to do the addition and the subtraction by estimating, right student? Okay, so how we will do, let's get on. So for estimating sum, for example, let's take an example of addition. Okay, likewise you have 5, 28 and 62. Student, how to round off a particular number I have made you very clear in the previous video, so you can go and watch it. And for doing the estimation and doing the sum, again I am revising it, so do watch it properly. So this is ones and tens, and this is ones, tens and hundred. So you have to look at the smaller digit. That means it is having only two digits, that is ones and tens. So what you have to do is you have to round off all the digits up to the tens place only. Likewise, this is 62, that is ones and tens. So this 2 is less than 5, it will be 60 only. We will replace 2 with the 0 and 6 will be 6 only, right? Plus now you have to round off this particular number also up to the tens place. So this is ones and this is tens. This is 2, this is 8, more than 5. So this 8 will be replaced by 0, and because this is more than 5, 1 will be added to this 2. So this will be 2 plus 1, 3, right? And this will be 5 only. Okay, so the answer will be 530 plus 60, that will be 590, right students? Okay, again you just go through one more example. Like this is 43278 plus 2902. Okay students, so this is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So a smaller digit is up to thousand place, and this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and this is 10,000. So I had already told you that you have to look at the smaller number. So this is up to the thousand place. So what you have to do is you have to look at here. So this is ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So after this you have to look at this number. This is 9, more than 5. So all the last three digits will be replaced by 0, and when this is 9, that means greater than 5, then this 2 will be added by 1. That means 2 plus 1, 3. Okay student, now come to this number. So we have to round off this number up to 1000 place. Why? Because the smaller number is having the digit up to 1000 place, right? Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. So see here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So this is the digit at the 1000 place. So after 3 we have 2, which is less than 5. So what we will do, replace all the 3 digit with the 3 zeros and 4 and 3, right? So what will be the answer? 43,000 plus 3,000, 46,000. You can add it easily, right? So this is how you can do the sum. And how you can find the difference? Let's take an example. 47348 minus 2267, right? So what I had told you, to look at the smaller number. So this is a smaller number, and up to which place it is? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So this is the thousand place. After that we are having 2, that means which is less than 5, right student? So we will replace all the 3 digit, these 3 with the 3 zeros, and we will write 2 here. Okay, why we have written 2? Because the digit next to it is less than 5. Okay, now next come here. Okay, so this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, ones. So we will look here also the same, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So after 7 you can see that here we also have 3, that means less than 5. So we will replace these 3 digit with the 3 zeros, and we will write 47. Okay, again. So what we will do is 47,000 minus 2,000, that will be 45,000. Okay, right student? Okay, let's do one more question so that you can understand much more better. 2597 minus 390. So what I had told you, to look at the smaller digit number. So this is 390 smaller. Ones, tens, hundred. So this is 100 place. Ones, tens, hundred. This is also 100 place. So after 3 you can see it is 9. That means more than 5. So we will replace both of the 2 digit with the zeros, and because it is 9 more than 5, we will add 1 to the number, that is 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, put minus here, and after 5 you can see it is 9. Okay, so for these two we will put 2 zeros, and because it is 9, so we will add one more digit to the number 5, that is 5 plus 1, 6, and 2 will be like this only. So 2600 minus 400, it will be 2200. Okay, you can do it like this also, 2600 minus 400, 0, 0, 2 and 2, right student? So I hope you all have understood this particular topic. So revise it and go through the questions. Okay, so students, keep learning, be safe, be inside. Okay then.